This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous appellation from the south of France, from the Languedoc wine region. A recent appellation, but that's been skyrocketing in quality and in reputation because the wines in the Terrasses du Larzac are just outstanding. So how do you go about pronouncing this word? Well, note first that in French, terrasse doesn't come with a C, but rather a double S. The S at the very end of terrasse is silent. So do not say Terrasses du Larzac, but rather Terrasses du Larzac. Terrasses du Larzac. The typical French pronunciation, Terrasses du Larzac. Terrasses du Larzac. Terrasses du Larzac. But it'd be fine in English or American to say Terrasses du Larzac. Terrasses du Larzac. Terrasses du Larzac, as long as you do not pronounce the S at terrasse, as we talked about before. Terrasses du Larzac. I made a video explaining what are and how exceptional the Terrasses du Larzac wines are, with a fantastic tasting 100 different wines from 10 different vintages, 10 different producers, a fantastic experience, interviewing journalists, French journalists and international journalists about what are the Terrasses du Larzac. Here is the video. You will learn a whole lot about the terrasse if you're interested in this. I hope this video was useful and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.